just going to make a quick little video on how to set an assessment in EP. So you may want to give your students some practice on EP before setting them the actual assessment. So I am in content, so I've logged in and I've gone to content, and if you scroll down you should see I'm just going to do my year 10 practice assessments. Please don't practice with the actual assessment, otherwise you will find yourself writing your own little assessment for everybody. I'm going to look at the practice right angled ones, so that is what I want to use. So I'm going to go in there and I'm going to click on assess your students. So I've just clicked on the 3 dots and assess your students. Now obviously the what is already there, so who, I need to select my year 10 class, and I am going to select tomorrow during their lesson. I want them to do it as an actual practice test, so I have them at period 4, so that is 11:40, and I am gonna make it go, I don't want it to the 4th of November, I want them to do it tomorrow, and it's gonna go until 12:40. That'll give them an hour. It's obviously not great because it's ETT, but if they haven't finished, I don't want them to freak. So they should though. So I want it to be under assessment conditions. You can set no time limits if you want to, but I want to have a I want them to see what it's going to be like for them when they do the actual one. Now you might want to get them to do that as well, so that will help actually practice how it's going to be. And I want full screen monitored mode, and that's all great. Okay, so results, that's fine. I do not, okay, yeah, I want it to mark automatically, but I want to withhold the student results until I choose to release them for the main exam. Okay, maybe not for this one so much. Let's do that. I don't know. Targeted, I don't want that one. Go away. I want to manually review recommendations before signing them. Actually, I want that one there. So I actually don't just want them to get the answers. I want to go and see, just otherwise they get the answers and they go and actually it is right, yes it is right, it's just a computer and it said it was wrong, but actually it was fine. So withhold students' result before I choose to release them is a very important one to click. I actually don't want that one at all. Why does it not click it? That's so annoying. Okay, there you go. And set assessment. So hopefully my students will be having this tomorrow, and I'll let you know how that goes. It's just a practice. With this practice test, there are a number of different options. So every time that they do it, they should get, well, they might get similar, well, they get similar questions, but the questions will probably be a bit different. So they can keep practicing on one test, but it'll give them a different variety each time they go through it. Hopefully that was very helpful. If it wasn't, speak to yourself. No, you can tell me and I will see what I can fix. Love you guys.